Look at my sweet baby. Hi, Mama. Hi. Did you have your babies? Such a good kitty, man. Look at her. Such a strong mom. So look at these kiddos. Oh, it looks like caramel. I'll probably name that one caramel. Man. Yeah, her boyfriend got killed by other husky. It was sad, but it was under our trailer. The cat was, and the husky went under there and killed it, but it was sad. I might get her another male cat. She's so cute though. Two of them are caramelized. This one's really cute. Hey.